Nonito Donaire at this 118th. Everybody better watch out.
Good night, Stefan Young. Nonito, my goodness.
Yo, wait, we hope that Young is okay. In the way he's able to produce his concussion power.
For this fight. And he's eaten a couple there.
You know, from short range and from outside and how he varies his combination, it's dangerous.
Natural talent and ability, and it seems like he's fighting the best, but he's dominating the best. So, you know, you have to take your hat on to a guy that's dominating the best, running through division.
I think that dude really is pound number one. He really number one pound, but because he don't have the opposition to prove it.
Overwhelming. You know, he would throw 6, 7, 8 punches at a time.
Tough, he's strong, he's disciplined. I mean, he has great timing.
He is good. His placement. He beat, what's his name? Donaire?
As long as he got blood running through his veins and his heart is pumping, y'all in effing trouble.
Had Cardenas along the ropes, putting the combinations together. However, left himself exposed, dropped that right hand. Guess what? Cardenas didn't see that left hook coming. Boom! Set him down.
Fighting out of Las Vegas, Nevada, by way of Talibon Bohol in the Philippines. He weighed in at a ready 117 3/4 pounds in his remarkable 20-year career. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the future Hall of Famer, the renowned 5-division world champion, and the current defending WBC Bantamweight champion of the world, introducing the Filipino Flash, Nonito Donaire. With a record of 11 wins, no losses, and 2 draws, with 8 wins coming by way of knockout. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the undefeated Seiya Suzuki.
Sa Philippine Professional Boxing, ay dalawa sa ating mga kababayan ang nagsipag-angat nung mapunta sa kanilang mga prime, na kung saan ay parehas nagkamit ang dalawang ito ng pagiging Knockout of the Year at Legendary Boxer. At ito ay si Manny Pacquiao at Nonito Donaire, na kahit wala na nga po sa kanilang mga prime, ay patuloy pa rin ang dalawang ito sa pag-ukit ng kanilang mga legasiya sa palakasang ito. Dahil sa parehas ang dalawang ito na gustong maging isang ganap na kampiyon muna bago tuluyan isabit ang kanilang mga gloves. Ngayon po ay isa po sa ating mga kababayang legendary boxer ang mapapalaban sa malakas at dating kampiyon. At ito na nga po ay si Nonito the Filipino Flash Donaire, na kung saan po ang kanyang makakalaban ay itong hinirang na naging champion in recess na si Seiya Tsutsumi, na mayroong kasalukuyang kartada na 12 panalo, 8 talo, 3 tabla, at mayroong 8 na-knockout sa kanyang 13 na ipanalong mga laban. Isa sa mga highly undefeated prospect ang Hapon na ito. Ito po'y dahil sa pagiging dominanteng boksingero po ng Hapon na ito, na isa pong aggressive volume puncher at kayang magpaulan ng mga malalakas sa suntok sa magkakaibang anggulo. At sa katunayan nga po mga idol, isa itong si Tsutsumi sa mga Hapon na boksingerong tumalo dito kay Takuma Inoue sa pamamagitan ng unanimous decision. Ibig sabihin lamang nito mga idol ay may stamina din ang Hapon na ito na kayang tumagal hanggang sa suktulang 12 rounds ng magiging laban. Magiging mahirap na laban ito para kay Nonito Donaire at magiging sukatan natin ng ganyang kakayahan sa kung hanggang saan pa nga ba ang magagawa ng ating kababayan. Di naman po natin inisinasawalang bahala ang kakayahan nitong si Donaire na tumalo ng mga malalakas at dekalibreng boksingero. Ito'y dahil sa isa nga naman itong ganap na 4-division world champion, naging the oldest bantamweight world champion, at kauna-unahang Pinoy na nagkamit ng 2-time knockout of the year. Kaya naman po yung masasabi natin na isang knockout artist po talaga ang ating kababayan na ito, na kayang tumapos ng kalaban sa isang suntok o birahan lamang. Kaya lamang, sa pagkakataon po kasing ito mga idol, may mahigpit na kalaban itong ating kababayan na pwedeng makapagbigay ng matinding problema sa kanya para matalo sa laban. At yun na nga, ay ang kanyang sariling katawan at edad, na masasabi po talaga natin na kadalasang nagiging dahilan ng pagkabigo ng isang boksingero, na kung saan ay kaya pa naman ang isipan, pero hindi na kaya pang tagalan ng pangangatawan. Kaya naman po sa laban na ito ay ating masasaksihan kung kaya pa nga ba ng ating kababayan sumabay sa mas batang kalaban. Sa kasalukuyan ay mayroong 43 panalo 8 talo itong ating kababayan na si Donaire. Sapat na para sa gayon ay makalamang sa experience itong ating kababayan. Para sa akin mga idol ay kailangan po makakuha ni Donaire ang laban sa unang bahagi pa lamang ng round. Dahil kung ang laban ay mas magiging matagal at aabot hanggang sa kaduluduluhan, sigurado pa mga idol na gagawin ng hapon na ito ang lahat ng kanyang makakaya para sa gayon nga ay makalamang sa puntusan. Kaya naman po abangan na lang po natin sa kung ano nga ba ang mangyayari sa kanilang magiging sagupaan. Ngayon mga idol ano sa tingin nyo? Kaya pa nga ba ng ating kababayan talunin ang undefeated na hapon na si Seiya Tsutsumi? I-comment nyo na po ang inyong magiging komento mga idol para sa gayon ay atin niyang mapag-usapan dito sa ating comment section. At bago po natin masaksihan ang laban na yan ay may ihahain muna po ako na laban sa inyo. At ito na nga ay ang pinakamagandang laban na nagawa ng ating kababayan na si Donaire. At ito na nga ay nung kanyang makarap sa unang pagkakataon ang isang Naoya the Monster Inoue. Sa unang round pa lamang ng laban nagpapalitan na po agad ng malalakas sa suntok at kombinasyon itong si The Monster at Donaire, na kung saan po ay madidiing suntok agad ang binabato ng ating kababayan. Para sa gayon nga ay paramdam dito sa hapon na kanyang kalaban ang dapat nitong katakutan.
Opposite him represents the younger Verdid over a death. WBA Super 30 seconds. Try and force into his 30s. Stiff right hand lands that time. Donaire comes back with that feint hook. Both men exchange it. The WBO strap when they go, they rip. Warning signs for him that if he does overcommit, well with him. Bring back for this one. Favour. Stand there. It was Donaire who was the track set 3 years of his career. It's just a lovely, so many knockouts, 16K. Him off balance. It's Donaire Herking. Plant his feet, he knows he carries the power. Donaire naturalification fight, IBF, that will suit up. It's like there. Isn't able to read, but he's walking through them so far. And he does it. Him into that second half. And his angle, stepping to the left and right second that, you know, the 45 fights that he's had. Anyway, like I said, Donaire, some negative seeds.
Bahagyang nakalalamang ng suntok si Naoya Inoue dahil sa bilis nga ng mga kamao nito. Naging mahirap para sa ating kababayan ang makipagsabayan ng suntok dahil nga sa estilo ni Donaire na pagiging isang counter puncher. Pero hindi din biro ang sinasalo na suntok nitong si Naoya Inoue mula sa mga kamao ng ating pambato, na nabibengkong talaga ang mukha nitong si Inoue sa tuwing lumalapat na dito sa kanyang mukha ang kamao ni Donaire.
Flyweight all those years of matching his footwork, keeping it to the body.
Donaire really is, you know, someone that brings, but Donaire that put pressure on and moving forwards, landing left, cut the rip through opponents en route to the left hook. Just, but I'm sure someone like confident in his own good stuff.
Good short left in and again. Providence got those hands high for the B2. Not an easy decade now as well.
Chris Dodge, you see every time anyway, full of power, right,
kind of pace he would have wanted.
Anyway, dictating tonight for the contest, not having to have done much. 4 rounds have gone.
And as you say, Inoue just
need it with Donaire, is he? He's up to try and pick these counters there.
His hand put
the fact that Inoue, absolute animal, but how this contest has got
a long time trainer to get him out of Chorigondo in the championship rounds.
Naging malaking problema sa laban na ito ang edad ni Donaire dahil nga sa wala na ito sa kanyang prime. Kaya naman mas mahirap na para sa kanya ang makipagsabayan sa mas batang kalaban.
Nolito back with the left hook. So this is Donaire seeing coming, but his legs are moments to the bell. Inoue check left hook from Donaire. At this point because he knows the power. Not away because perhaps we expected it from over a decade. He's
carried extremely good power. Superb. 5.5 rounds.
And the old champion grab.
Still look, Inoue starting to...
Given the leather that he's taking to take us into the second half of the fight, the way up, it just takes one
moving forward. Quick, very spiked. It's fair to say. But he knew. Yeah, the spot planting his foot. See the patterns of move. Vita notice of how the greats of boxing, like Roberto Duran from Donaire, maintain that gap.
Is thinking, both letting this shot
have gone down. I don't know what the odds would have been on it. Wouldn't have got much though. Inoue again with managing it so far. Reminds him why his reputation as a puncher is as it is. Uppercut, could that be a problem? Right. The head right hand, he brings full power in the right hand. The left eye to swell. A little bit punch lands. Just a little bit. Oh! Counter right hand. Brunonito. He set. All eyes are on him. Against battle. Really show difficult circumstances. We know angry puncher as Donaire was all those you. Not 100% and definitely with Donaire Inoue firing back and arguing. And you've probably got everybody telling class in you as one of them in himself. Down counter kick, but this is good stuff from Inoue. Side Donaire goes a little flat foot. Oh, and this is now Inoue's round. Oh, and again he hurt Donaire on the right hand. Donaire just inching back for the first time in the round. Shit rounds. Right. Oh, Inoue will sense the shots landing clean.
Donaire, love his good stuff.
Donaire desperately trying to get back on that. He's yet to hold though.
Listen to the home crowd now. Really get behind him. They love him. Oh, he's counting now
for only the third, and the referee
really
tries to hang on. Inoue 11 rounds, but is this the end?
Oh, what a concert
inside Tama as Inoue opens up. But his staff will have seemed like an age for Inoue.
There to let some big shots of his own go.
Well, long left there.
Credit. Big shots.
Experts took his work away. It's just this where age and...
Bagamat nadalo sa laban ay ang laban naman na ito ang tinanghal na pinakamahirap na laban nitong sina Uy Inoue nung kanyang makaharap sa unang pagkakataon ng ating kababayan na si Donaire.